Hey guys, you want a secret that your broker won't share? Keep watching to transform your open houses into a gold mine. So welcome back to Eugene Report, and I'm out on the road today, and I noticed something very, very interesting. And I want to share this with you because it can change your real estate game. So as I drive around today, I see open house signs everywhere. Granted, today's Saturday, and Saturday and Sunday are big days for open houses. But here's the thing, most agents are missing out on this crucial strategy. So let me share a high value trick that you should have been doing all along. In the past few years, the real estate market, it's been super easy. During the COVID, we had a little bit of a hiccup there, but we've seen a tremendous rise in real estate valuations. Listings, transactions have been extremely high all across the board. What I want to talk about is it's been super smooth sailing. But today, interest rates, the economy, things have totally changed. And today you need to stand out to succeed. So we need to stack the pipeline with leads. So here's what I mean. Open houses. I know, open houses. Not just now, because I see the signs all over the place, but you should have been doing this consistently over the last 4 to 5 years. If you would have been holding open houses regularly, during the easy times, you would have been building a long-lasting pipeline of potential leads. These leads are going to filter into your lead management system, which I talked about in the last video, or your CRM. This is going to create a robust lead flow that's going to sustain your business through the tougher times like we see today. Over the last 4 to 5 years, our team, we've been creating these leads through our 6x6 program. We've seen incredible success because we didn't wait for the market to get tough. We actually prepared for this 4 to 5 years ago. And for us, this program helps nurture and provide value to the leads throughout their journey as they move through the pipeline, which is going to turn them into a loyal client in the future. If you want to know more about our 6x6 program, it's all outlined in our Millennial Broker's Guide to Packing a Pipeline with Buyers and Sellers. And the coolest part of this is I'll give it to you. Just hit me up in a DM, no strings attached, and I'll send it your way. So let's help build your pipeline together and ensure your success in any market moving forward. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your real estate game. Hit the DM now for your free guide. And until next time, keep providing value and watch your business grow. See you on the next episode of the Eugene Report.